Prediabetes. It can be overwhelming, isolating, even scary. Since you're listening to me now, it probably means you or someone you love has been diagnosed with this disease. I'm Georgianne Holland, creator of the Solution Starter program. I know the fear is real. I know your concerns are valid. I invite you to join me for this easy-to-use online 12-month program designed to give you the knowledge you need to change direction. If you've had trouble adopting a healthy lifestyle on your own, this program can help you lose weight, increase your fitness level, and build your confidence. I will share tools and strategies with you that fit your lifestyle so you can stick with it. Best of all, you'll have personalized support from me, a recognized prediabetes expert. And you'll also get the magic ingredient, the support of a community of others on the same path. Maybe you've tried other things in the past, but lost motivation or failed to see results. The truth is, this program could be a game changer for you. The odds are now in your favor. You don't have to walk this path alone. Sign up now.